Hello everybody, it's me, Old Drifter. I'm just sitting down here by the lake. Didn't have to tell you that, you already know where I'm at, but I got my exhaust fan on, hope it ain't too loud. It's pretty warm today. It's I don't even remember. It's close to 80 and it's sunny, beautiful. I can see I've gotten sunburn today. It's my raccoon eyes from my glasses. But anyway, I've been working in here. I started to get out today. I had to work today, but got off a little early. I started to get out, go messing around, seeing what I could get into, but I decided I need to get caught up on some of my projects that I've been saying forever I want to do, was going to do, and am going to do, and I never did do. So one I worked on today, I went and got me some 1-inch foam board. Now I got this idea from Cheap RV Living, Bob Wells. I don't know if it's going to work. I just thought I'd try it. Well, it's only been done about an hour, so I can't tell yet. I should know in the next day or two. It's where he said something about getting foam board and building a box around your refrigerator. Ugh, my eyes are dry and itching. I had to take my contacts out a while ago. I guess I got some dust on them, but now my eyes are itching. But anyway, so I thought I'd try it. Worst I can do, I'd just be out a little bit of money. But I'll turn you around here and try to show it to you. There it is. I know the light's bad. But you see, I still got my towels on it. But here's the refrigerator. There's the foam board. I've got foam board on top. Pretty much just made a box. Oh, there's my hand. I pretty much just made a box, what I did. And, my refrigerator's sitting inside of it. Of course, I made a lid, a hinge lid that opened up. Yeah, I remember to do that anyway. Now, it's not the prettiest thing because I just wanted to throw it together to see if it would work, see if it's going to make any difference or not. If I do notice a big difference, now the idea, I'm talking about the difference. The idea on this is it makes kind of like like a cooler or something that you set your refrigerator in to keep it from kicking on as much, according to him, which it makes sense to me. I mean, I can see how it would work. I see the idea behind it. I don't know if it's going to work. I'll know in a day or two, because I know pretty much how much my refrigerator kicks on and off, so I'll be able to tell the difference if there is one. But anyway, yeah, I just kind of cobbled it together for right now, and if it does work, I'll go more, get a little more, make it better. I ain't decided how I want to do the top yet. It's kind of aggravating the way it is right now. I've got the foam board where it hinges up and down with the lid of the refrigerator. I ain't real crazy about that. I think what I'm going to do is cut that free on the back side, the same size as the lid itself, and fix it permanently to the lid. Well, not permanently, but like some Velcro or something of that nature. And then just put a little strip of duct tape on the back for a hinge. That way, all I gotta do is open one door, not two, I guess you could say. But anyway, I've got it done. I've went ahead and put my towels back on top of it because I know for a fact the towels do help. I've been doing that for about a year, and it does help. I'm assuming what it's doing, because the outside of the refrigerator gets cool to touch, so I'm assuming that holds that coolness in against the refrigerator and keeps the warmer air, away from it. But either way, I do know the towels work for a fact, or helps anyway. And another thing I noticed over the years with this particular refrigerator anyway, I don't know about everybody else's, but with mine, the fuller I keep it, the less it runs. I guess because the stuff inside is cold, it helps keep the refrigerator cold. Pretty sure of that. But what I'll do, I don't cram it completely full of food. When I buy a case of water, I usually take, everybody's refrigerator is going to be different, depending on the size of it. Mine, I'll take, 7 or 8 water bottles and kind of line the outer, the inside of it, kind of like go around the walls of it, and put my food in the middle. And then it seems to help when water bottles get cold and act like kind of like an ice pack or something like that. And I notice that does help a lot, because when I don't have the water in there, if I drink it all, it seems to run a lot more. So that, little things like that help. But I do know if I keep it completely full, where, open the lid and right there's your stuff, it don't hardly run at all. Unless it's just really dreadfully hot in here. But anyway, yeah, I just want to say hi to everybody. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope you're having a great day. Say hello to my aunt. Things are getting good around here. I'm really liking the changes I'm making. I've got out more in the past 3 or 4 days than I have all month. Now, I haven't done a whole lot. You know, I haven't been out sightseeing, been to Disney World and all that, but I've just been getting out, being more active. Not just saying, you know, sitting up inside the van here. So I'm really pleased with myself, getting back to where I was. I went to a town today, a bigger town than the one I'm in. There was quite a bit I could have filmed, showed you. I don't know, I was just out just running around and went by Home Depot and got me some foam board and picked up some stuff to tune my van up, change the plugs and wires and all that stuff. And, you know, I had a list of things I need to get done today, and I was really concentrating on that and I didn't take time to film anything. I started to go down the riverfront, you know, stuff like that, and I really didn't have time. I'll get down there again one day here soon. Now the weather's nicer, I'll be getting out more. But right now I'm playing catch up, trying to take care of these little projects I've had on the list for a long time. I've got to tune my van up. It's running fine, but I try to keep it in tip-top shape so I never have trouble. That little squeak, I still don't know what it is. It still hasn't showed itself, so got my fingers crossed. I've replaced a lot of stuff, you know, belt, tensioner pulley and all that, and that hasn't stopped it. So I've got a feeling it might be the alternator. I don't know yet, but I got a gut feeling that's what it is. But it's still charging, still working fine, so I'm gonna roll with it for right now. It's just that squeak is irritating. I do need to change the plugs and wires. I bought them today. I'll have to wait till this weekend to do it. Yeah, because it's going to take me all day. This van, the way I got that wall built, I've got to take the passenger seat out just to get that hump out of the middle. That was a design flaw on my fault. On my part, I mean. Yeah, it's still my fault, but I wish I had thought about that. But, you know, it is what it is. So, yeah, I'll need a whole day to get this done. Plus, working on the van's not easy. I don't think it is. Some people do. I don't think it is. But anyhow, yeah, that's about it. I just want to check in and let y'all know what was going on. Hope everybody's having a great day. And God bless. I'll see you again next time.